Today I'm going to show you guys step by step how I actually trade the ICT Judas swing extremely profitably within the financial markets. Let's just jump straight in. This right here is the ICT Judas swing sell model, and I'm going to break it down step by step. You see, a lot of other creators and even ICT himself not only overcomplicate this extremely important concept, they actually don't give a specific framework on exactly what you need to see in order to participate within the markets. So let's just break this down so it's very, very simple. What you can see here over to the left side of your screen, we've got an Asian session high and we have an Asia session low. Resting above this Asian session high, we have buy side liquidity in the form of buy stops. We also have sell side liquidity resting below the Asia session low in the form of sell stops. And what you can see and what tends to happen, for example, if we are sell bias on the day, what you tend to see is we see a run of liquidity to the upside right here, running above the Asia session high. So running all of that buy side liquidity. What this tends to do right here is entice breakout traders to get long in the market. They're going to be trapped. And then also anybody that's prematurely trying to get short in this market, their stop losses are going to be above the Asian session high. And therefore, we're going to run them stop losses and they're also going to be stopped out. The reason why this works is because all of them orders combined, especially enticing breakout traders, because that's going to entice buyers into the market that provides the fuel and provides the liquidity in order to capitalize on this move to the downside right here, which is the trend continuation play. Because at the end of the day, you have to understand that we need buyers in the market. We need buyers trapped in order for institutions and big players to actually move the market in the desired direction. And what you can see and what tends to happen is during the London or New York session kill zones, we see that run of liquidity. It can happen even pre-New York or pre-London. However, my point being is the confirmation comes within the kill zones, and then this move right here is the trade that we look to capitalize. So this is the ICT Judas swing sell model. Now let's look at the buy model. This right here is the ICT Judas swing buy model, and it's simply just the opposite of what we've previously looked at. So what you can see, so if we are buy bias on the day, we have sell side liquidity that is resting below the Asian session low. So what we want to see is a run of that sell side liquidity, enticing breakout traders to get short within the market. Also, we're going to stop out anybody that is looking at long in this market prematurely. Once we see that during a kill zone, so the London or New York session kill zone, we're then going to look for our entry schematic intraday, and then we can look for a continuation to the upside following our daily bias. So this is the ICT Judas swing buy model, very simply put. Just so you guys know, I did actually execute this trade along with all of the members at Toto Capital. I'm going to share the profit shot on screen right now. Let's just break this down so you can understand how the ICT Judas swing buy model works within the real markets. So what you can see right here, so during the New York session kill zone, what we see is a sweep of the Asian session low. Our directional bias for the day was to the upside. So we're only looking for longs on this market. What you can see is we get a sweep of the Asian session low. We then get an injection of bullish pressure, enter on the break of that candle high, invalidation simply below the liquidity sweep, and then targeting a 1 to 2 risk to reward. You may look to target a 1 to 3. That is really personal and up to yourself. However, for me and my data, I like to target a 1 to 2 risk to reward. I'm going to share another profit shot on screen right now, just so you can see I did actually take this trade as well. So this is on gold on the 15-minute, and you can see we were sell bias on the day. We were sell bias, so we're only looking for shorts during this kill zone, which is the New York session. What you can see during the pre-New York session, we got a run of the Asian session high. So we ran the liquidity that was resting above the Asian session high. Not only that, we then got an injection of bearish pressure right here. We can then enter on the break of that candle low, invalidation above the liquidity sweep, target of 1 to 2, or you do have external range liquidity, which is resting down at the lows at the London session low. Okay, so this is the ICT Judas swing sell model. If you haven't already, make sure to join the free Discord. The link is in the description of this video down below for free analysis and to stay ahead of the curve with upcoming YouTube videos. Honestly, guys, the amount of free value that is provided in there is absolutely astronomical. And if you're not in there, honestly, I have no idea on earth what the fuck you were doing. Make sure to join the free Discord. The link is in the description down below. Honestly, guys, if you did make it this far, thanks so much. I really do appreciate every single one of you. And let me know down below. Let me know where you're from. I want to try connect with as many people as possible. So let me know in the comments down below where you're from. If you have any queries, I'd be more than happy to get back to all of you guys. If you did like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.